In the mysterious rainforest, the sun has quietly set behind the treetops, casting a soft orange glow over the forest. The residents of the rainforest are gradually drifting into slumber, but some of our animal friends remain awake. Let's see who they are. Hi, dear. A graceful fox has been leaping through the ferns all day and even caught a cute rabbit. As night falls, she finds a secluded corner to rest, gently placing the rabbit down. Can you mimic the fox's graceful movements? Good night, dear. We will continue our journey through the rainforest to see what our friends are up to at night. Hi, koala. A koala has been navigating the treetops, playing with its friends all day long. Now, feeling a bit tired, it has found a cozy tree hollow to rest in, swaying its tail softly. Can you swing like a koala? Good night, koala. Hi, lion. A lion has been patrolling the rainforest all day, and as the sun gradually sets, it climbs a tree to rest its weary body, letting out a gentle roar to mark its territory. Can you blow a kiss to the lion? Good night, lion. Hi, monkey. A mischievous monkey has been swinging from tree to tree, playing pranks on its friends all day. As night falls, it yawns widely and finds a comfortable branch to rest on. Can you give yourself a big monkey hug and say goodnight? Good night, monkey. Hi, rhinoceros. A silent rhinoceros has been walking slowly and steadfastly through the rainforest all day, using its strong horn to touch the trees. Now, it curls up in a hidden corner, slowly closing its eyes. Can you rub your eyes and whisper goodnight to the rhinoceros? Hi, dove. A colorful dove has adorned the day with its beautiful feathers and sweet songs, gently caressing the plants with its wings. Now, feeling tired, it nestles on a tree branch, closing its eyes as its song fades into the distance, bathed in moonlight. Can you sway back and forth like the dove and softly say goodnight? Good night, dove. Hi, little kangaroo. A little kangaroo has been feasting on delicious leaves all day, and now, feeling full, it curls into a ball to rest, its tail swaying gently. Can you snuggle your teddy kangaroo and say goodnight to the little kangaroo? Good night, little kangaroo. Hi, piggy. A pig has leisurely searched for delicious treats in the rainforest, observing everything around. Now, it's time to gently close its eyes. Can you slowly squint your eyes and softly say goodnight, just like the pig? Good night, piggy. The rainforest softly murmurs a lullaby, and the night sky twinkles with stars. All of our rainforest friends prepare to drift into slumber. You've done a fantastic job helping each friend fall asleep. Well done, little helper. Now it's your turn to rest. Close your eyes and dream about all your adventures in the rainforest today. Good night.